Hi, Chris is here. As I told you in the previous video, after placing the order, I received the text message. Here is my Messages app, and I received the text message with my login and smart link for the mobile app or the customer panel. I also received the text message, the message via the WhatsApp, and I received the email confirmation with the details about my account. Now I can go to the mobile app or to the customer panel based on the website. At this video, I will show you the website customer panel. So if I go to my ordering website, I can click login here and go to the customer panel. If I am already not logged in, I need to put my login and password and click login. After login, I will see my meal plan I've already ordered and the menu. So the main screen shows me the menu, so I will see my choices. Yes, so if I would like to change the meals, I can quickly click here and change my mind. So I can easily manage the meal plan all the time. There is also cut-off times, so if you already cooked, so for example, I can't change my mind for tomorrow because you've already cooked the meals. Then on the right hand side we have the summary, how many carbs I have chosen. I can quickly renew the order by choosing the same meal plan which I've already ordered before, or I can create totally new order by clicking here and choose the meal plan similar like on the ordering website. I can also change my delivery method, and I can add my favorite delivery addresses, and I can change delivery method for every single day separately, or I can change it starting from today to all days in the future. I can of course change it to the pickup points, for example. And as you can see, I have the delivery to the pickup point on Tuesday and delivery to my house at Monday. Then I can reschedule delivery. For example, if I have a business trip on Thursday, I can click change delivery day and quickly reschedule it to Monday. I am quickly logged into my administration panel and I will change the day. So I will reschedule one of my days to the history, to show you how I can manage the menu in the history from the customer perspective. If I refresh the website, now you can see that I have the menu in history, and now I have a possibility to rate my meals. So I can send it the rate and, for example, add a comment that it was too spicy. And you as the administrator will receive the a notification that you've received the comment, and you can answer to your client, and they will receive also push notification and the email with your answer, so you can quickly communicate with your client. The clients love to rate the meals. You can give them the loyalty points for the feedback, and what is important, the feedback is only for you and for them, so one client not see the rates of other clients, so it is only to build the quality of your food. So if you receive the feedback that the clients like or not like your food, you can improve the quality, or for example, if you change the kitchen chef, you will see if they have better rates or worse. Then at the very top we have the list of the orders. As you can see, this order haven't been paid, so I can pay online if I haven't done it before. And there is also loyalty program. So we have a huge functionality of loyalty program, and the clients can receive points for many different activities. First of all, they can receive the points for placing an order. So as you can see, they are great because I haven't paid for that. So I've placed an order, but I haven't paid already, so I haven't received this point. But you can give the points for different activities like the marketing consents, creating an account, meal rating, comments, and whatever you want. The points could be changed for money, so the clients can pay by these points, or they can change these points for rewards, so you can create the list of rewards available in your company, and the clients can collect the points and change them for some specific rewards. they can also use the referral program. So they can generate their own unique referral link. They can share this link with their friend, and then they will see all the referrals here, and they will receive points if their colleagues will place an order in your company. Pretty helpful for the personal trainers and the dietitians. Then we have the reminders, so the clients can add different kind of reminders, like the notifications about ending the order and they should renew it, notification about the meals delivery, so if they received the meals in front of the door because the courier is there, so they will receive push notification on their mobile app, and remind about the meals eating, so about the lunch time, dinner time, they will receive notification that there is time to eat, and also about the rating of meals. Then they can check the menu for the future. For example, if they already don't have the meal plan in the future, they can check what will be available in the next week. Or if they think about changing the menu, the meal plan, they can check the menu also in a different meal plans. In the contact section, there is the same data like in the ordering website, so they can by one click open WhatsApp and contact with you. Of course, about the WhatsApp, you can add a little chat button here, so it is possible thanks to the Google Tag Manager. Then in more, there is a news section, so you can send the blog post to your clients, calorie demand calculator, and the surveys, so you can create some kind of surveys, questionnaires, and send to your clients. And on the right top side, we have the loyalty points number, personal information, so they can edit the data, change password, change delivery addresses, change their exclusions. And that's it. Pretty easy, pretty handful. So the same features will be available in the mobile apps, which I will show you in the next video. Bye.